On some vehicles after a collision, the vehicle won't start until some systems are reset. Let's look at an example on a 2017 Ford Transit Connect. All right, so this will be a BCM Crash Status Reset. So we'll scroll down to the BCM here. Go. And it is a functional test. And we can see right there, it's called out BCM Crash Status Reset. It says this procedure will reset the body control module crash sense status to a no crash detected state. Crash status is triggered by a signal from the restraint control module when it determines that a crash has occurred. While in crash detected state, the fuel pump prime at key on and remote start functions will be disabled by the body control module. So in other words, vehicle is not going to start. Warning, before resetting the status, make sure the fuel system is fully intact and free from any leaks or crash-related damages, because I'd imagine it'll prime the fuel pump after we're done. So we'll hit continue. So we'll switch the key to on. And there you go, all done. Simple as that.